Well, it's been a year since I built this hoop house greenhouse, and I just wanted to give an update. It held up good over the winter. No issues with snow or anything. Stuff really didn't stick to it. If I got some ice build up, from an ice storm, I did turn a heater on a couple days over the winter just to melt stuff. And if we had a big storm and it accumulated before it slid off, I did bang it off. Just kind of went inside and bounced the wire mesh a little bit, and everything just kind of slid right off. But no issues. Everything held up great, and it's still producing. As you can see, it's looking like a jungle in there right now. Not much room for me to walk, but it's doing wonderful. If you didn't look at my other videos, there is the build video on this, and there's a second video as well. So this will be the third update on the hoop house. Thanks for watching.